Well, I'm starting the immigrations now. Checking in. I'm checking in now, going through immigrations and customs. I'm sure going to be glad to get home. Okay, they let me through customs. Now I got to try to figure out. I've got to go down and find a train and go through 2 stops, and then I go through another customs inspection. Well, I got through customs okay. Hell, and man, get here early. They open at the Cebu opens at 6. Be here at 10 till 6. Get here early, get in line, because it starts backing up like sardines real fast. Well, I got through customs, and they give me a little map here on this little card of what I'm supposed to follow, how I'm supposed to navigate through this. I got to get on a train, skip a couple of stops, go downstairs, move around. But one thing that I've noticed is that I've got to go through gates 201 and 230 up here. See that? And it's well marked. It was marked up as soon as you leave customs. If you look, you'll find your gate number. Look at your gate number on your ticket. Follow those numbers, and you'll get it on over here. And it looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward and pretty easy. And so I'm going to just follow these numbers. And now it says 201 to 230. It's got a little escalator sign there, and it says go down. So I'm going to have to go downstairs here. And I think this is where I'm going to pick up my train. They got a little train that runs inside the airport, not the one that I looked at yesterday that was going to go to the city. So this is inside the airport. And here we go. It's easy. I can see it'd be real easy to get lost in here if you're not careful. Pretty simple. It says 201, 230 to the left, and it tells you 201, 230 to go down some more. So it's all real straightforward. Just pay attention. And then I'll let you see getting on the train. We can find it. I think maybe Ayala Mall got their design ideas from the Hong Kong airport. I see some similarities here. Maybe all the stainless, maybe all the glass. Ah, here's the train. Coming down to it, it says 201 to 230. So I get on the door right here, go on the train, skip number 1 stop, and then get on number 2. Train is approaching. There's even a sign to let you know the train's coming. How cool is this? And here's the train. This is awesome, guys. I'm gonna let it roll here. I don't even see a driver. Here we go. Driverless train. Isn't this something? Here we go. Hey guys, this train is really cooking. Wow, I'm in the front window. This is some kind of incredible. This is all electric. I'm seeing all these electrical wires and insulators on the sides. Wow. So, I gotta look for 201 or 230. It's slowing down. Gates 40 to 80. I've got to skip this stop and go to the next one. I hope. They show that. directions for other people. I think she said it was the second stop. Door is just closed. Here we go. Whee!
請如途緊握扶手。
Thing takes off pretty fast. Takes up pretty good speed too. We're underneath the airport now. This will keep an electrician busy for many years trying to wire one of these. Ooh, super takeoff now. Get here on time, guys. If I miss my door up here, if I don't get the right hole, the right spot, then I got to start over and find a way to get to the right terminal. I may get off at the wrong one. I don't know. Wow, we're cruising, man. They don't tell me what terminal. There's no numbers up there, so I don't know what terminal this is. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm losing my battery. That was pretty quick. It took us an awful long way. And again, follow the signs. Escalator up, 201 to 230. Notice these elevators are both going up. So this is a departure way, so people can't come backwards. Look at that mural back there. Look how pretty this is. This is a gorgeous airport. And another sign, 201, 230, going up. I've got one battery left, so I'm going to save that for when I get back to Manila. So we'll see y'all later. Just follow the gates here. We're here now. This is really pretty simple, even for a Econo. Well, one thing I just found out, you've got to check this screen up here for your flight number. And I asked an attendant, she acted like it was too much bother to help me, so I have to do it myself, which is okay. They're just real rude here. I'll be glad when I get back to the Philippines where people want to help you and not rush you out of their face, so to speak. I'm going to be glad to get on. So my carrier is flight number 109. I look up here at 109, and it has moved from this gate to another gate, apparently. Okay, I double checked, and it's another gate. It's going to be gate 205. So I'm gonna pick up on one of these little riders I got here. I'm going down another gate or two. No, I'm not. It's gonna be before then. Well, it does good to check, and I did check. This will change here. This Chinese writing will go to English. Hong Kong to Manila, 5J109 at 8:25, and that's my flight number. So I'm at terminal number 205 when it finally made it. So I'm going to sit here patiently. Actually, I'm going to try to get some more photographs of the airport for you.